Hey everybody, Frank and Carrie.
Hey!
Hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. People that watch from other countries, hope you had a good Thursday. All of our family came home. So this is our son-in-law Matthew. This is oldest daughter Erin, youngest daughter Taylor, and her husband Landon. Of course, it's Frank and Carrie. So we bought an old house that's behind us. We are trying to restore it. When we first got it, it really wasn't in very good shape, but we've done quite a bit to it. And right. Today's video, what do you think we'll do?
Oh, Miss Mooreland gets a gutter bypass. We start working on the water issues from the outside this time. It's in the back area, and we kind of show you a before picture what it looked like before we even started. So it was a mess, but that's what it's all about.
So we'll show you a picture of the roof where we're working and starting the landscaping. It's starting to dry out the basement.
Yes, it is.
Enjoy the video.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
If you thought Frank's roping skills were good, wait till you see his riding the bunking bronco. Here's a quick look back at what this area used to look like before Frank cut down the trees. You can see why we need to start working on the stump removal because we couldn't get back here to even start addressing water issues. That's where we put all the old roofing when we just tore it off and dumped it down, and that's what we're trying to get out of the way. It's heavy with lots of tar. All these tree stumps back here. We gotta clear the way. Get all this debris out. Lots of dead leaves and rotten wood. That's all that's left. All right, we're back to working on some metal for the gutters, I believe.
To the delete gutters.
Yeah, a bypass.
We're gonna have Miss Mooreland's going in for a gutter bypass.
Yeah.
She's gonna have gutter bypass surgery.
Well, she needs gutter bypass.
She's gonna lose a lot of water weight quickly.
Well, every girl likes that. How wide do you have to make them, or long, I guess?
I'm making 19.
19.
Just this part. They're just what that needs to be. That's the area. Has nothing to do with anything, but that's how long they need to be.
Right. Very good.
I don't even know if this thing works. I bought it used.
Well, how'd it do? It did it. Did what it was supposed to do, huh? Oh, is that so that they interconnect each other?
I'm gonna try.
Well, that's a good idea. That'll at least help keep even a little bit more water out.
Yeah.
Very good. Did a nice job. Look, Frank's tearing down tar. Mm-hmm. This is another reason why we want to cut back those magnolias, so we don't get so much of that in the gutter system. We're getting it. That's going to make a huge difference on this. I mean, there's going to be some water getting in, but that will help dry this corner out tremendously. And it should also help with the water coming in this window. Well, this is Miss Mooreland's gutter bypass. That will help her shed quite a bit of water, like we said, on this area off the kitchen roof and that back hallway. So, very good. Okay, for another temporary fix with the water issue, Frank and I went to Lowe's and we got a 10-foot piece of gutter that will help with the water coming off of this little flat roof, and just to help it keep it from going in the basement, because that drops a lot of water. So we only got about 10 feet to put there. It's just to help with some of the water management. Well, we have an opportunity to go get some used wood that we can reuse in different areas of the house. We have our trailer all ready to go, the cranks in the truck, and off we go. Well, this is what we're after. Someone redid a fence and put up new poplar, and this is oak. And so our thought is to get it for the box gutter. So that's the plan. So got to get busy loading. We got load number 1, and we got all the little bits and pieces, but this is going to make some of the repairs go much easier. It was a nice blessing. Load number 2, all safe and sound, and we did pick up the ends of the cedar that they didn't use. So we just picked it all up.
Now where to store it and what to do with it,